Hi Rukmini.
Hi. Hi, G2.
Hi. So you first mentioned that you were saying no to the script. So what made you say yes? And another question is, you we saw a completely different look in Boomerang and now in Tekka. So what is your mantra, confidence mantra? Because you've been pulling
I
it
think
off
the reason why I
confidently.
said yes is the script. It is only and only and only the script alone. Because Srijit had just offered me a film before this, and I couldn't do it as the dates had clashed with Boomerang. And thereafter, when he offered me this film, I was thinking that maybe he's trying to compensate or something, thinking that maybe I must have taken it to heart, or I must have been disheartened about the fact that I couldn't do the last film. But then he told me, no, 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 it's none of that. I truly believe that this is you, Maya is you, and this is the character you deserve to do. And I'm one of those directors, which Srijit is, by the way, which I understood once I started filming with him, that he's extremely particular about what he wants, how he wants, and when he wants it. So, and I believe that he believes in the power of timing, that he knows that this is what he wants and how he wants it. He's very, very, very clear. And when he narrated the script to me, it was a roller coaster ride, and it was so exciting because every time I analyze a script, I see it, I listen to it, I see it from an audience's perspective, and also that whether I would enjoy watching this on screen. And the instant he was done with the last, I think the last page of the script, I looked at him, I'm like, Sridh, it's done. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I walked into, never say never. That's been my biggest mantra, so never say never. And what was your second question? I'm so sorry.
So how do you pull these roles off so confidently, the different looks? So what's your confidence
I think with a lot
mantra?
of courage. I think with a lot of courage because, and with a lot of excitement. I'm one of those people who, I think from the onset of my career, because with a lot of courage and with a lot of excitement. Because I believe from the onset of my career, because I possibly didn't have the passion for acting, I at least had the excitement as an actor towards the art of movie making. So hence I thought that I might as well do something which kind of excites my senses, and to do something different every time is what excited me or piqued my excitement or my interest. So even when it was Kabir, where I played a terrorist, or Cockpit, or even Switzerland when I played the mother of two, and then Boomerang happened where I played a double role and a robo. And then when Tekka happened to me, I was like, oh wow, I'm truly blessed to be offered such characters. And I think even my producers and directors possibly see that I'm one of those guinea pigs who's willing to do crazy things, and I somehow end up enjoying it and also committing to it. But I genuinely believe in my scripts. I genuinely believe and respect the characters that I play, and hence once you respect the character which you're about to play or which you're trying to play, I think you believe in their originality. And every character, if they are original, I believe they are different. So no five fingers are the same. So no five characters of mine are possible. Same.